back to another video. Today we are doing farming in Jaman Family Farms again, episode 2. Ow! Oh my god.
Well, yeah guys, welcome back to Jaman Family Farms, our Farm with Your Friends series, episode 2, and as you can see, things have changed.
So show some of the new things.
A new truck.
Yep, I got a truck, and I'm out. Look at my money. Look at that.
This up on the combine.
He's got a new combine harvester. Yeah, today we're gonna be upgrading our farm because his our
harvester. We have my truck that's over here. We're not redoing this. Then we have a new tractor.
And a new plot of land.
Yep.
So today we're going to be getting basically almost everything, but not all the new equipment really. So let's get started. Alright guys, so now we're getting some rice right there in the field right there. Please don't let me rice. Rice is at aim and become better on the freaking left. It's at 47. Why are you laughing? You own rice too.
No. You're right.
Exactly. The Jaman hoodie. It's only 6 Robux, and I had along, and the guy made it for me. So go to get that out. I'll leave a link in the description. I just got news a while ago that Chance is already having a hoodie that has Coke on the back. And has this and Coke. So this will be. It's in the process of being made. So when that comes out, I'll give you the info. Anyways, get back to the video. while, get our stuff set up. Also, make sure to go subscribe to him. You better get his video uploaded. Anyways, we're gonna wrap this up for the day. We're gonna go sell this. Next episode, I am buying new stuff. He's running me over. I need help. Please call 1-800 Jaman. Jaman!